Hi everyone, I'm Abdulfatah Muniro, AFM Enterprise. In this video, I want to show you how to track your income and your bill. When I mean tracking your income, anything that has to do with sales, and when I mean bill, anything that has to do with you, with your vendors. You understand? Okay. So QuickBooks has a feature here. If you are not seeing this window, you can come to View here. Then you click to either left icon bar, top icon bar. So this is an icon bar. So now it's on left icon bar. That's why you're seeing it to the left here of this window. So I'll click on income tracker. So from income tracker, you have all the transactions you have so far, so that are not settled so far. Okay, now you can decide to select from which customer you want to undo, which customer you want to check in, or you just leave them all. I think it's better. Then the type, is it estimate, sales order, general journal, time of expenses. I think all is still better. Then status, but to be specific, you can filter based on the ones that you need. All, open, overdue. Then you can select a date that you want to work within. But then we have this information. We have from here the status, you can see overdue, open, and paid. Now what does this overdue mean? This overdue means that this customer, in fact, looking at the date and the due date, you can see that is due. So this person, you made a credit sales to this person on the 23rd of December 2023, and still the due date is saying 23rd of December 2023. So the person is supposed to have paid. So from here you can follow up the transaction to make sure that this customer pays you. So, and if you can email them, email or print and send to the customer, or you email right directly and send to the customer's email from here, reminding them of the dates. Or you can also receive payment. Let's say the customer comes to pay you, you can also use this income tracker to receive payment directly from here instead of using the other channels that are available. Okay, now you can see these dates are same. The date and the due date, if they are same, it means it's due. It is due on receipts on the day that you created the invoice, right? So what if in this case, look at this now, this is on the 11th and is due on the this is on the 30th of November, and this is due on the 30th of December. So you can see, and we are in 24th of December now. So you can see from here that this invoice is not yet due. So that is why when you look at the amount, you see that it's showing open. So it means it is still open. It is not overdue. So there is no need for you to run about or start demanding for the money. So you have to wait. Then clicking on this drop down, you see that you still have, if should in case the person pays before then, you can receive the payment or print an email. Okay, but I don't think you need to print an email, since except the person needs the information, the customer needs that information. So the third one, the last one here, you can see that the type is called unapplied payment. It means this customer paid you in advance and you've not applied it to any of the invoices. So how do you know? I can double click on this. Once I double click on this, it will take me to the initial place where I recorded this transaction. So I used customer receive payment. Now you can see that the amount is reflecting as 170, but I have not selected any of these invoices that are open. You understand? So that is why it's still showing that. So it means this person paid in advance. And if you want to know how to record advance payments, you can go to my channel and check advance payments or advance payment received from customer. You get a better understanding of how that works. Okay, so now I'll go back, I'll exit this. So now from here I can select and print an email, but then it's an unapplied payment and this person is owing me this amount. So why not just apply it to one of the invoices that are here? This is 170, right? So I have 150 and 20 that are overdue. So I can go back again and double click on that to take me to the initial recording. Okay, I will select this 20, I will select this 100 and select this 50. So at the end of the day, amount due here is 170, applied is 170, but then remember it is 409, so the balance will still remain, right? So I want to click save and close, and from here 90 days and blah, 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 blah. Okay, here now you see we don't have those 4 information any longer. You see, at the end of the day we are left with 2 overdue, pending to when we receive payment for this. So with this, you can track your income. Similarly, when you go to bill tracker is between you and your vendor. You can see bills that are open and bills that are overdue. Now from here you can see you are owing this supplier 150 and 100, that is 250 you are supposed to pay since, oh my god, since October. Okay, but then the last one here, excuse me, the last one here is showing that is going to be due 30th of December. So and it's still open, so it means you are still fine, you are okay, except if there's a bonus that you have to pay before the due date. They will give you a bonus, a discount. Yes, but not in that case. If it is not in that case, you just have to calm down, then prepare for the amount, then pay, so that it not be overdue like these other ones that you see since October and they have not been paid, which is very bad for business. Okay, so from here also you can pay the bill and copy bill, print bill, whichever action you want to carry out from here. And similarly, you can also filter based on all your vendors, the type, is it credit card, the status, open, paid, and the date. So with this, you are good to go on bill tracker and income tracker. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Now from here also you can click on this header to see individually your open on bill purchase order that you've created but you've not converted it to invoice. That is the meaning. Then unpaid, now you've created an invoice but you've not, a bill but you've not paid. Sorry, the purchase order, you've created a purchase order but you've not converted it to a bill. Of course, to the supplier it is called the invoice, right? But to you from your own end it is called a bill. Okay, so the unpaid, these are, you can click on unpaid to select the transactions that are unpaid, that are still open but not due. Now you click on overdue here, you see that, you see the aging, you see 80, it will select this transaction for you that are overdue, then even add the age for you. You can see it is 84 and 73 days. That is bad. Then paid for the last 30 days. No, so that is that. So with this you can, similarly when you go to income tracker, once you click on estimate, you click on sales order, you can see transaction based on these selected headers, right? And from there you can go ahead with your transaction. Okay, I think that is that, and see you guys. Bye.